Dear children, we have learnt the names of various plants around us. Do you know how can we identify these plants? Dear children, we can identify all the plants from their leaves, flowers, fruits, stems, etc. Let's identify different plants, and our topic is different ways to identify plants. Children, look at the picture. How will you identify that it's a tulsi plant? Yes, from its leaves and from its flowers. Now children, look at the picture of tomato plant. We can identify it from its leaves and from its fruit. Children, our next plant is rose. You all are familiar with this plant, which is easily identified from the shape of its leaves, its beautiful flowers, and from the fragrance. Now children, tell me, how will you identify that this picture is of a mango tree? Good, from its leaves and from its fruits. Now children, look at eucalyptus, Safeda. Children, we can identify eucalyptus from the shape of its leaves as well as from its trunk, which is white in color. Now children, our next plant is peepal, sacred fig. Look at the shape of its leaf. Its shape is very different from other leaves. We can also identify this tree from its fruits. Now children, the next tree is banyan tree. Children, banyan tree can be easily identified from its leaves and also from its aerial roots. Children, the next plant is guava, and it can be easily identified from its leaves and its fruits. Children, the next plant is lemon. Children, look at its leaf. Its leaf is different in shape, which helps us to recognize the plant. The fruits also help us to identify the plant. Children, this way we have learnt that different plants can be identified from the shape of their leaves, flowers, fruits, or trunk. And now children, it's homework time. In your homework, you have to identify 10 different plants in your surrounding.